Other than having a physical worship, you can do digital worship, but it is your personal accountability to God. Only you and God knows if you are worshiping Him. Unless kung meron kang kasama mo yung asawa mo, kasama mo yung small group mo, or kasama mo yung ibang mga brothers and sisters na kasamahan mo sa trabaho. But in reality, digital worship is existing. Huwag tayong magtaka dun. Okay? Huwag tayong magka-attitude sa mga kapatid natin na wala silang ibang paraan, kundi yun yung gagawin nila. To us, who prefer, yung sa atin na gusto natin na magkaroon ng physical worship, let's keep it that way. Okay? Huwag nating itigil yung ganong klaseng prinsipyo, ganong klaseng conviction. Let's keep it that way. But to those with valid reasons to do digital way of worship, pakiusap ko lang, tingnan natin kung ano yung benefit nito para sa iyo at kung ano ang danger nito para sa spirituality mo. I asked some of my friends who used to be part of our church and to those who are still part of our church sa question na ito. In what way digital worship will help you or helping you in your worship to God while away from the church? Dahil may mga pagkakataon talaga na you are away from the church. May mga inaalagaan ka, may sakit sa ospital, sa bahay, may sakit ka, hindi ka makalabas, may trabaho ka, bigla kang pinadala ng boss mo sa probinsya na kung saan wala kayong church. You don't have other way, kundi ito talaga, digital way of worship. Gusto yung bagay ilan sa kanila, sa mga reply nila sa akin, sabi nila, digital worship helps me to excellently worship and study God's Word. Ito, disciple pa to. Disciple, sama naman ang pagkasabi. Disciple yung nag-respond dito, okay? Leading to spiritual multiplication. Sabi niya, I can post, rewatch, or take notes. So yun na yung nagagawa sa kanya. It improves my outreach, communication, and efficiency while giving you resources for spiritual growth and community building. It helps me to be far from temptation, okay? Being addicted to digital platform that does not add up to my being. A church that embraces technology is better equipped to meet its goal, engage with its members, and adjust to the digital age. Nag-follow-up question ako sa kanya kasi ayoko na parang ayoko na ma-hook up siya doon na kasi alam ko nasa BPO to. So sabi ko, is digital worship an option from physical worship? Sabi niya, yes, only for valid reasons like when you are sick or difficult situations that needs you to stay at home. More so, can be used as a supplementary. Sabi ng isang brother to, nasa Macau to, napakalaking tulong bro na may online service lalo na nasa abroad. Disciple pa rin to. Ito, he used to be part of the church. Sabi niya, pros and cons of digital worship. Tama si brother. But I think physical or face-to-face worship has a greater impact. So, wala na to sa church, pero mahalaga pa rin sa kanya yung physical worship. Sabi ng isang sister to, sabi niya, it helps me to be connected to church or body, even at the times that I cannot be physically present. May mga times din na kahit attitude towards going to church, ang reason why I cannot be physically present, listening to sermon online can sometimes turn my heart around. Another benefit of online meeting, is it economical and earth-saving? Is digital worship an option? It is an option, but only for those who has valid reasons for not attending. Recording of the session will send it to who asked for it upon approval and assessment of the leaders to why they need the recording. ginagawa naman natin to before sa Mandaluyong, ginagawa naman natin to sa mga hindi nakakate ng Vivo. We should encourage our brothers and sisters na manghingi ng recording. Another thing, and lastly, ito wala na rin to sa church yung brother na to. Sabi niya, in my current situation, I utilize digital tools to spread the gospel, participate in family worship, and allocate time for discipleship within my group. While these tools are advantageous, our direct connection and approach to worshiping God are essential. It's important to check our motives and settings when engaging in digital worship, as sincerity plays a significant role in our bond with God. Ultimately, worshiping alongside fellow believers and sharing in fellowship is vitally important. For me, whether it's virtual or in person, as long as it contributes to our spiritual development, the method of worship takes a backseat to nurturing our personal connection with God. Hindi na to part of our church, but sa kanila, mahalaga pa rin yung physical worship, fellowship. From different walks of life, digital worship or online service was a help to them, lalong-lalo na sa mga nagtatrabaho abroad. Why I am showing this, mga kapatid? This is to remind us that digital worship is not a replacement for physical. Kailangan mo palalahanan na yung digital worship is not a replacement for physical worship. It should not be our primary way of worship. Kagaya na nagbanggit kanina, dapat supplementary lang ito. When Paul sent letters to the churches in the Bible, hindi nangangahulugan yon na to replace His presence. Okay? Dahil kung babasahin natin yung mga letters niya, He loves to be there sa mga churches na yan. He desires to be there. But circumstances hinders Him at that time.